Now statement of question is, a rhombus-shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. A rhombus-shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. Given is a rhombus-shaped field, that give it name A, B, C, D. Now it is given that a rhombus-shaped field, it means A, B, C, D is the rhombus, it is given. Now this field is used for 18 cows to graze. If each side of rhombus is 30 meters, each side of rhombus is 30 meters. Each side of rhombus is therefore AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA equal to 30 meters. And its longer diagonal is 48 meters. And its longer diagonal, that is AC, longer diagonal is 48 meters. How much area of the grass field will each cow be getting? Now to find is, how much area grazed by each cow. Now this field is used by 18 cows to graze, and we have to find area grazed by each cow. So firstly, we will find area of rhombus A, B, C, D. And area of rhombus equal to sum of area of these two triangles. Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Now in step 1, we will calculate area of triangle ABC. In step 1, we will find area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula. Area will equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Here A equal to 30 meter, B equal to 30 meter, and C equal to 48 meter. And formula of semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C by 2. 30 plus 30 plus 48 by 2. 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 48 equal to 108 by 2. Semi-perimeter is 54 meter. Now put value of S, A, B, C in this square root. Now area equal to 54. 54 minus 30. 54 minus again 30. And S minus C. 54 minus 48. Now 54 minus 30 equal to 24. Into 24. 54 minus 48 is 6. Now try to reduce it in lowest form. Prime factors of 54 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Where 24 4 is already occurring pair. So no need to do its prime factor. You can take it directly. And prime factor of 6 is 2 into 3. Now make pair of same numbers. And bring out one number from each pair. Hence area of triangle ABC equal to 432 meters square. Now in step 2 we will find area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC. We know that diagonal of rhombus divide it into two triangles of equal areas. Therefore, area of triangle ADC equal to area of triangle ABC. Or here measurement of each side is same. So we can say that similarly area of triangle ABC equal to 430. Area of triangle ABC equal to 432 meters square. Now area of triangle ADC equal to area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Reason is diagonal of rhombus divides rhombus into two equal parts. Divide rhombus into two equal parts of equal area. Or we can write diagonal of rhombus divides rhombus into two equal triangular parts. Equal triangular parts. Triangular parts of equal area. Therefore, area of triangle ADC equal to area of triangle ABC. And area of triangle ABC equal to 432 meters square. This implies area of triangle ADC equal to 432 meters square. It is the area of triangle ABC and this one is area of triangle ADC. Now to find the area of rhombus, we have to add area of both the triangles. In step 3, area of rhombus equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Now add area of these two triangles. 432 plus 432 equal to 864 meters square. Area of rhombus equal to 864 meters square. Now this is the total area of rhombus. This is the total area of rhombus. And this area is used by 18 curves to graze. And we have to find area grazed by one curve. So in step 4, grazed by 18 curves in a field equal to area of rhombus. grazed by 18 cows equal to area of rhombus, which is 864 meters square. Meters square, and we have to find area grazed by each cow. Now area grazed by one cow equal to 864 divided by 18. After cancel we will get area grazed by each cow equal to 48 meters square. Each cow equal to 48 meters square. The next question is, an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors. Each piece measurement is 20 cm, 50 cm and 50 cm. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? Now given is an umbrella is made up of 10 triangular pieces of 2 different colors. This is the front side of umbrella. Now this umbrella is made up of 10 triangular pieces of 2 different colors. 5 triangular pieces of white color and 5 triangular pieces of black color. Next line. Each piece measuring 20 cm, 50 cm and 50 cm. Measurement of each piece equal to 20 cm, 50 cm and 50 cm. Now to find is how much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella. There are 2 colors, one is white color, other is black color, and we have to find how much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella. It means we have to find area of 5 triangular pieces of white color and area of 5 triangular pieces of black color. So firstly, we will calculate area of one piece of triangle. Now in step 1, we will find area of one piece of triangle. and we will calculate its area by using Heron's formula. Under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now semi-perimeter formula is S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Here A equal to 50 and B equal to A equal to 50, B equal to 50 and C equal to 20 centimeter. Now S equal to 50 plus 20 divided by 2. 120 divided by 2. Now S is 60 centimeter. Now area of one triangular piece is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. My next step, 60 minus 50 equal to 10, 60 minus 50 equal to 10, 60 minus 20 equal to 40. Now try to reduce it into lowest form. Time factors of 60 are 2 into 3 into 5. Now this number is already present in pair, so you can write it as it is. Now do prime factor of 40. Prime factor of 40 is 2 into 5. Now in next step we have to make pair of same numbers and bring out one number from each pair. No partner of 3 is present and neither pair of 2 is present, so we will write these number 3 into 2 under this square root. Now multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 10s are 200 root 6 centimeter square. Hence area of one triangular piece equal to 200 under root 6 centimeter square. But we have to find how much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella. That is, our umbrella is made up of 2 colors. One is of white, other is of black. You can take any color as your choice. Now in step 2, we have to find area of 5 triangular pieces of white color, because we have to find how much cloth of each color is required. Area of 5 triangular pieces of white color equal to multiply area of one triangular piece with 5. The answer is 1000 root 6 centimeter square. And in the same way we can write area of 5 triangular pieces of black color. We know that area of one triangular piece is 200 root 6 centimeter square. Then area of 5 triangular pieces of black color is 200 under root 6 into 5. answer will equal to 1026 centimeters square. In this way we can find area of, in this way we can find cloth of each color is required for the umbrella, or area of 5 triangular pieces of any one color and area of 5 triangular pieces of any other color.